Walmart to restock. This is probably about 3 weeks worth of groceries for Scott and I. Everywhere from vegetables to paper plates to beer and cocktails and what else? All kinds of stuff.
Everything you can name.
So this will be about 3 weeks for us. We'll have to stop and, of course, get fresh vegetables somewhere along the way, but for the most part, this is it.
It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
All right, now we are waiting for Aja, and we're heading to the Slabs. So we've got a whole bunch of people going out with us. This whole area here, this is all of us. There's Duck's Airstream. Dana's over there. Not sure who that is. I don't think they're with us. And these people over here on that other row, they're with us too. Barb and Max are over there. Old Farmer's Wife. So, as soon as we get things put away, we will catch you on the road.
Yes, ma'am.
No, that's the hot springs.
Okay.
Okay.
Aja's giving us the tour. This is the hot springs over here, which we cannot see, but we will see it tomorrow maybe.
Bunch of naked people probably.
Okay, is that where we're going?
They're all naked.
Is that where we're going? Are we going there?
No, not unless you want to see a bunch of naked people.
Okay, where are we? Are you?
No, well, yeah, I just wanted to stop and tell y'all this is the hot springs.
Okay.
You're awesome. Is this where everybody came to for the hot springs?
No,
Okay.
I don't think so.
The other hot springs were different hot springs.
I think they were different hot springs.
Okay.
These are the natural hot springs with the naked people from the Slabs. Camp Freedom. Well, we made it to Slab City. And this is our backyard. We'll take you guys on a walk.
You need to like go over and say to Jimmy, hey, we gotta move over to you.
Oh, look, we could look at all this area out here. Good morning. Oh, I don't think Jimmy's up. Oh, okay. Are you gonna put your hat on today?
Are you afraid?
I'm afraid. I'm very afraid of the Jimmy with no hat.
Do I look like I'm keeping it? Yeah.
Well, we've all moved locations. We just moved a little further away. There was a fire pit over there that had some really stinky wood on it, and so we all decided to kind of come over here and make our own little area. And I think we're pretty satisfied over here. So this is where we're going to be for a week or so. Maybe not a week or so. Less than a week, probably. And Aja's over there.
I like it.
Yeah.
Good feng shui.
Yeah.
Okay,
Tessin, come on.
here we go. I'll hold on to this stick thing here. Yeah.
I'm following along too, Scotty.
Okay, everybody ready for the karate chop? Okay. Okay. One thing we didn't have was a stick for snakes, so gotta watch out for the snakes. Let's see.
I don't have a crooked stick.
Oh, look, that little tornado-y cloud is dissipating.
Yeah.
Oh, that's like sugar sand.
And there. Open up here. And there. Oh, I got it. Yeah. Is that Yosemite Sam?
Yeah, we've got quite the group going on here. We got little Hazel.
Oatmeal and soup.
And there's Jack's over there rolling all around.
But I grew up.
Does Jax want the grass? He's like, no way, man.
When that's all gone.
Alright, this is our morning. Getting started around here. Our morning start. Alright, so Scott was just outside the hatch. He was showing you guys what it looks like outside. The winds have kicked up to about 20 miles an hour. And this is what it looks like in the desert when that happens. There is sand flying everywhere. It's really bad out here.
Yeah, wow, look at the mountains
Yeah,
too. Wow.
you can't even, well, you guys can see. It's pretty bad. And you couldn't even hear Scotty up there talking to you guys because it's just way too windy.
And now it's in my nose.
And now it's in your nose. You okay?
No, I got sand in my eyeballs and my nose,
Yeah.
my ears.
I was talking to Wandering Jimmy right over there a little bit ago, and it kicked up and went all in his eyes too. But anyways, we're just, we've battened down the hatches. And we have one window crack. The problem is that it's warm outside, and so it's hard to have all your windows shut. So Scott has just,
I just reshut this one.
he's just, oh, you reshut it.
I had it open just a little bit, but the sand is going so much that even that little opening is,
Yeah.
it's just siphoning it right into our camper that we just
Yeah,
kind of wiped down the other day. So.
Carolyn showed up here a little bit ago, so I can see her over there. She's got all her windows shut too. She was over here visiting Eric, Nomadic Fanatic, and she came walking out and said, I've got to get to my van. I've got a mouthful of dust. So, yeah, that's what it looks like out here on a windy day.